Warning, the images you're about to see may be disturbing to some viewers. Viewer discretion is advised. These are not typical blood clots that form after a person's death. When a funeral director sent a sample to a lab in Texas, its elemental composition was found to be extremely low in iron, magnesium, potassium, and zinc. This suggests that the clots are forming from something other than blood. And this is not an isolated case. Many embalmers across the country are finding similar clots in the deceased after COVID-19 vaccination began in 2021.
Metal ring. You can just see the negative electrode connected to the wire, and you can see the positive electrode hanging down from above the experiment. Now for the fun part. We start applying voltage. At first, nothing too interesting happens. But then we notice some movement. The balls start forming chains, called shooters, that try to reach the outside of the dish. A massive race is on. When the first chain reaches the rim, something amazing happens. It becomes a stem and all the other shooters die, and a new structure forms. We can start the experiment over, but instead of starting all the balls in the middle, we can group them towards the sides in clumps. What will happen this time? Here we see many stems form and compete with each other for balls. They sway back and forth, picking up new recruits, and sometimes battle with their neighbors. It turns out that self-assembling wires have some really cool properties. Some metrics are very predictable and others are not.